With its alluring fusion of performance, efficiency, and design, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is certain to make a big splash in the small SUV market. The hybrid version of the already well-liked CX-5 is expected to increase its popularity by lowering emissions and improving fuel economy, making it a more ecologically friendly option for drivers. The 2026 CX-5 Hybrid's cutting-edge hybrid drivetrain is its core component. This system easily switches between electric-only operation for maximum fuel efficiency and combined power for dynamic acceleration by combining a gasoline engine and an electric motor. Anticipate features like regenerative braking, which helps save gasoline by capturing energy during deceleration and storing it in the battery. It is expected that the 2026 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid will continue to feature the svelte and elegant style that has come to represent the Mazda name. High-end materials, user-friendly technology integration, and an emphasis on driver comfort are probably going to be features of the inside. Anticipate cutting-edge features like a suite of driver assistance systems, a premium sound system, and a big touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connection. Price rises are almost inevitable for the CX-5, like for any other new generation car, although it is unlikely to go above its current range of $40,000 to $60,000 in Australia to stay competitive with its mid-size SUV rivals. For those looking for a small SUV that is fashionable, effective, and entertaining, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is an intriguing advancement. It is well positioned to battle fiercely in a market full of strong competitors because to its sophisticated design, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and emphasis on driver enjoyment. Potential customers can anticipate learning more about particular features, performance metrics, and pricing information as more information becomes available. This will enable them to make an informed choice when thinking about buying a new car.